Do you like to know how to make this easy paper plane? It's a great dart plane. Watch this video to the end and I will show you how to fold this paper plane. Welcome to Fun with Folding. To make this plane you only need an A4 paper. Enjoy the folding. Let's start. You start by making a center crease. Then we turn the paper and fold the corner towards the center crease like this, and repeat this with the other side. The same way we fold the result of the previous folds towards the center crease on both sides. We fold the point of the nose of the plane just past where the previous folds meet. Then fold the nose of the plane back again. Now turn the paper and make sure the center crease is folded well, before we make the wings. Fold the wings from this point straight towards the back and do the same on the other side. You can make small wing tips by making a straight fold like this. Make sure that it has the same size on the other wing for best flying results. I hope you like this one. Thanks for watching.